In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a recording from Microsoft Teams. If you need to save a meeting recording for offline access, sharing within your organization, or just for easier file management, Teams makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can download the recording quickly and without confusion. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams account that contains the recording you want to download. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Teams profile for different organizations or projects. The recording will only appear in the account and meeting thread where it was originally shared. So this first step is important. Once you're inside Teams, go to the chat tab from the left-hand toolbar. This is where meeting conversations are usually stored, along with shared files and recordings. After opening chat, look for the meeting thread connected to the recording you need. If you've had a lot of recent chats or meetings, take a moment to locate the right conversation so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. After opening the meeting thread, scroll through the conversation until you find the recording thumbnail. This is typically displayed directly in the chat history, making it fairly easy to recognize. Depending on how old the meeting is or how active the conversation has been, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. It helps to move slowly and watch for the visual preview of the recording. When you've found the recording, click the download button that appears on the recording thumbnail. In most cases, this button is clearly visible, so you should be able to spot it right away. After you click it, the recording will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, you're done. You can open the file from your computer and use it however you need, as long as you have the appropriate permissions for that recording. A quick tip before you go: if you don't see the download option, it may be due to account permissions or organization settings in Teams. In that case, you may need to check with the meeting organizer or your admin. But if the button is available, the process is as simple as opening the chat, finding the recording, and downloading it. And that's it. That's how to download a recording from Microsoft Teams.